Hey guys, today I'm gonna do this makeup look and wearing this nose pin for the first time. If you are new here, I'm Sana and you're watching Sana Vogue. So let's begin. Hi, this is my bare skin. I'm starting with moisturizer. You already know I'm recently addicted to this Emolene Glycol cream. Gently apply it all over your face and neck. This cream keeps your skin hydrated and also help to lighten it. Now I'm applying the dewy primer from Maybelline Fit Me. This helps your makeup stay longer. Next, I'm hiding my hyperpigmentation using Miss Claire's orange corrector. It's a cream based orange corrector. Applying it with concealer brush. After that, I'm setting the corrector with compact powder. I'm using 3 Beauty's compact shade is 07. This step helps to lock the product in place. Now I'm moving on to eye makeup. First I'm applying Mask Cancel Concealer in the shade 08 Espresso Elegance on my eyelids, blending it well with the brush. Then I'm setting it again with the same compact. For the crease, I'm using a dark brown shade, blending it into the outer V corner and also crease area. Then I applied a peachy pink shade on the lids and the inner corners. To brighten the inner lids more, I added a light yellow shade and blended it softly. Then I placed the shimmer shadow on the center lids, applying it with my little finger to avoid any mess. Today I am also wearing false lashes. First I applied mascara from Glam 21. Then I created a mini wing using Zudio's black eyeliner. Many of you have been asking for a wing tutorial. I'll make that soon. Now for the lashes, I'm using the Miss Claire's black adhesive. Since it's for my personal use, I used my teeth to open it. Please ignore that, guys. Be patient while handling your lashes. I applied the adhesive on one lashes perfectly, and while doing the next one, I bit a glue dropped onto my hand. So I just used it instead of wasting it. I have kept both lashes aside to dry for a few seconds. Let's move on to the next part. Next, moving on to the foundation, shake well before use. I am using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Serum Foundation in the shade Medium Tan 5 to 6. This is a lightweight foundation and I have already done a wear test for it. You can check it out from my cart. Today I am applying it with a brush. On the corrected areas, I am dabbing it in, and on the other parts I am dragging and blending. And somewhere in the middle of it I am dancing too. To highlight the center of my face, I am using Mars Zero Blend Foundation in the shade 10 Chestnut Cocoa. It's a bit lighter for me, but I am just using to highlight the center face. Now I am setting everything with the same compact I used earlier. For the lower lids, I have applied the same peach shade from the eyeshadow. Then I patiently placed the lashes and added eyeliner to the inner corners. For the waterline, I used the Nika Shimmer Eye Pencil in the shade Copper. Recently, I am really loving this shimmer pencil for the waterlines. Now moving on to lips. First, I lined my lips using the Swiss Beauty lip liner in the light purple shade and fully coated my lips. Then I applied Nika's Bullet Lipstick in the shade Grace, a lovely pink tone actually. This is good pink tone for dusky skins. For the inner lips, I added a liquid lipstick from Zudio in the shade Berry. Finally, I dabbed a pink shimmer shade from my eyeshadow palette on the center of my lips. And that's it for the lips. To finish the look, I wanted a good glow, so I loaded up a highlighter on all the high points of my face. For blush, I used a dark pink shade from the same palette. And that's it, makeup is done. Now I wore my outfit. I have draped the saree. It's a white saree with a cutwork border and delicate single embroidery. The blouse I padded with the saree as a high back open collar neck, and I'm honestly so proud of how I designed it. Yeah, I made this blouse. To show off the back neck detail, I styled my hair into a messy bun. You can check out my pictures on the Instagram. I'm wearing this jhumka that perfectly matches to my blouse, and I added bindi to complete the look. And yes, for the first time I'm wearing this nose pin, and I'm not really sure if it suits me or not, but I love experimenting. Even if it doesn't look perfect, I'm happy I tried something new. So yeah guys, hope you liked the look. See you in my next video. Thank you and bye bye. See you soon.